Alright, this is a random local or southbound train. I don't know. Do I know? No. I don't know. Flamingo just went down. Woo! Huh. The bell sounds like it has something broken in it. That's a lot. Wow. So, that might be 9:45 maybe? A late 9:45? Here at Belvedere Road. Wow.
Pinky!
With Pink Lady 425. It's no longer pinking now. It's Pink Lady 425. Woo! They got her working late hours tonight. She working the night shift. She working the graveyard shift. Ladies and gentlemen, right behind the Palm Beach Post. Alright. Well, they're going to be meeting up with 224 in Villa Rica. BBT 609.